Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making slime. I use every 5 days. This is the other slime that I recently made. It's super stretchy. But yeah, I'm gonna make it today. Okay, so the first thing that we need is glue. I'm gonna take off the lid. And pour it in. Oh my god, that's so weird sound. Okay, first glue finished. You know, guys, I'm not be able to see that, but yeah. The first glue. You'll be wondering what that is. That is slime that's just stuck in there. The second glue. This one. I'll say that's enough. I'm just get a little bit more. Okay. Oh. I'm just trying to get the rest out of this one. Still a little bit more. Okay. Next one is colour. I'm going to make a rainbow colour, actually. So, yeah. First colour. It's a wee sound. Should be now. Second colour is going to be green. So. Oh, that is so clear. That's done. Now I have orange. Orange. Oh no, the lid. Put it over there. Now this one. Let's get a lot out of there. But okay. This is kind of like colour dye. Just with glitter in. Oh no. I got the other slime of them. Just leave it at the corner. Okay, my hands are getting super gluey. So, yeah, super. I got glue all over them. I'm going to put some activator in. There we go. Now, I forgot I don't know where I put it, so I'm just gonna mix with this thing. mix. Sorry guys, you cannot see my face today, because I'm going to record my slime, not my face, and it's too attractive. So yeah. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Bye.